Hey everyone, welcome to the BizStack channel where we create a better business you. Waving hand exciting news for all you tech enthusiasts out there looking to level up your skills. This Labor Day, Udacity's incredible sale is kicking into high gear, and you do not want to miss it. Why Udacity? It's simple. It's your ultimate launchpad into the tech universe. Udacity offers unparalleled online courses tailored to today's industry demands, from data science to AI, all crafted by industry leaders. Rocket. Hold on, because here comes the kicker. During Udacity's Labor Day promotion, you'll land a massive 60% off on all their nano degree programs. 60%. That's more than half off on some of the most cutting-edge tech courses out there. But why do thousands choose Udacity? For a start, you can weave learning into your hectic life with their self-paced courses. Got a full-time job? No problem. Juggling responsibilities? You got this. Udacity slots right into your schedule. Data crunched by big tech professionals gives you an insider's edge, and with expert instructors from top-tier companies, you're learning from individuals who've been exactly where you want to be. Plus, they provide 24/7 support and real-world projects that arm you with experience you can't just find in books. Remember, this offer has an expiration date, September 8th at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Time, to be exact. Don't let it slip away. Your gateway to tech dominance is just a click away. Wrapping this up, folks, the tech industry waits for no one, and with Udacity's Labor Day sale, you're being handed the keys to the kingdom. Affordable, flexible, and packed with knowledge from industry titans, this is your moment. Kickstart your journey to becoming a tech pro and let future you look back with a thumbs up. Graduation cap. Eager to know more or ready to dive in? Head over to our blog for the full scoop, or check out our other videos on career growth and tech trends. And before you go, hit that like button, subscribe for more valuable content, and let us know in the comments what skills you'll be mastering this Labor Day. We'd love to hear your success stories. Here's to your success, and happy learning!